Tired of your devices dying in the middle of camping, traveling, or even during a sudden power outage? Or maybe you just need a reliable way to stay powered on the go. Well, you're in the right place. Introducing the Jackery Explorer 300 portable power station, a compact yet mighty generator that delivers dependable energy wherever life takes you. With multiple charging options, fast recharging, and a lightweight design, it's the perfect companion for outdoor adventures, road trips, and emergency backup. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Jackery Explorer 300 power station, car charger, AC and AC cable, user manual, specifications. Usage instructions. Before traveling, insert the charging adapter into a wall outlet. The LED display will turn on, showing battery percentage and input status. To charge your devices, press the corresponding power button. AC for household plugs, DC for car-powered devices, and USB for phones, tablets, or laptops. Once active, plug your device into the right port and charging will begin. For laptops, use the USB-C or AC outlet. For smartphones and tablets, connect to the USB-A, USB-C, or Quick Charge 3.0 port. For small appliances like mini fridges, fans, or CPAP machines under 300 watts, plug them into the AC outlets. When finished, unplug your devices and press the power button again to turn off the output. Recharge the Explorer 300 before storage, or top it up during use via AC car or solar input. The wall outlet charging takes about 4.5 to 5 hours, car charging takes 5 to 6 hours, and solar charging with a 100-watt panel takes around 5.5 hours in full sun. That's it. Stay powered up wherever life takes you with the Jackery Explorer 300 portable power station. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.